You can do this very interesting experiment using very simple equipment. You will just need a plastic bottle, a lid and some stiff straws. Make a hole near the base of the bottle and press fit a small piece of a stiff straw into it. Tightly fit it. If there is some leakage, apply some glue. Make a hole in the middle of the lid and push through a long stiff straw. Now shut the bottom straw with your thumb and fill the bottle completely with water. Take the lid and screw it in tightly on the top. Now once you remove your thumb, you will find that the water flows at a constant pressure. It always falls at the same point on the coin. The coin has been kept specifically for that purpose. You can see that the long straw, the bottom of the long straw has the same pressure as the air pressure on the top. So even as the water level in the bottle lowers and lowers, the pressure remains the same, and the water falls at the same pressure until water comes down below the level of the straw. Then, as you can expect, the pressure goes down and the water falls at a slower rate, and finally it stops. Now fill the bottle once again. If you shut the straw at the top, water stops. If you open it, water starts. Now this is an easy experiment and kids have been doing this. If you lift the straw on the top, you find that the pressure increases because the water level is increased.